Hey, what's up? It's iHEART Radio personality Todd, Music of the Morning with Todd, and I am live from the iHEART Radio Theater in New York City, and we're about to see Mumford and Sons. This is going to be cool. You can hear it live on the radio, or watch it live on Yahoo Live, or be in New York with me. Come on, we got room.
Welcome to our iHEART Radio album release party with Mumford and Sons from the iHEART Radio Theater in New York City.
It's difficult to be able to tell the difference between you guys are fucking shit and you guys are the fucking shit. So if you'd like to clarify and be ready for a fight, then let's do it. And that was my dad. It's all good. Call it in sleep, but you've only lost the night. Present all your pretty feelings, may they comfort you tonight. And